Okay, so I'm going to shoot a little update on the homemade hydraulic power pack that I built. If you remember in the last video, this thing would rev up to pressure and then it'd bog the motor out. So what I did is installed a pressure relief valve, and I'll show you that there. Also installed a new pressure gauge. But here's the pressure relief valve, and so it comes straight off the motor. You can see down there's the Lovejoy coupler, and then over to the pump, and then up, and then the pressure line is this line back here. It comes up and then goes straight into the valve, and then I've got it teed off. Let's see, teed off here, then coming down into the back of the gauge, and then you can see the hose down there. That's the return line. So when it reaches 2000 psi, it dumps back into just before the filter, and then back into the tank. And seems to work pretty good. I also changed this hose out for an actual hydraulic hose down there, and just how I ran everything. That's all return lines, so it's all just done out of black pipe, and just did kind of a cheesy little shroud that goes around the exhaust right there. So it is still getting a little bit hot on this filter, but I think it's going to be fine. And so there's our valve and the gauge, and let me turn it on. I think there's going to be enough gas in here without hooking the gas tank up to run this. And so let me set it off to the side here, and we'll go from there. Alright, it seems to be picking back up. Let me go see if I can get it to start with what gas is left in there. Alright, so you've seen that that pressure gauge there. You know, it would it'd jump up to 2000, and then they would open the pressure relief valve, dump it back into the tank, and that's good. Now we're not bogging the motor down, everything's running good, and I'm going to put a done stamp on this project. So thanks for watching. Comment if you'd like. Want any answers to any questions, feel free to put them down there in the comments. Okay, thanks.